Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add chapters to your YouTube video. Right now you can see that I am on the YouTube studio of my channel. After that, go to the conf section and you can see one of my content where I want to add the chapters. You have to tap on this details button and there will be a section description here. Here it is, the description. So you have to do a simple thing on description. Before that, you have to scroll down, then tap on show more and you can see it's written here, allow automatic chapters and key moment. If you just check mark these, YouTube will automatically create chapters want for you, or you can just uncheck it. You can go to the description and make your own chapter. Like, you have to write the timestamps, so it is denoting as 10 seconds. You can also name this chapter like intro, then you can add another timestamp like start, and then you can add another one like that. You can easily add any chapters to your YouTube videos. So this is the way you can easily add many chapters as much as you want, and that will create sections or segment to your videos so that people can easily find that particular points. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.